We don't know what to do.
You just got me an idea. We can make a fake EAS emergency of a fake tornado warning.
Sure, we can do that.
Here at Robe's Science Shows, you are allowed to explain anything related to the topic you are showing the audience. While during the audience you can
Then Boqueous, Central Boqueous, and Western Boqueous districts have activated a Type 2 severe thunderstorm warning. Conditions may affect local areas, such as your neighbors, towns, cities, and suburb climates. Please stay indoors, bring anything outside inside, find the closest neighbor, lock your doors, and keep away from any windows, doors, light-weighted objects, and rain. This may take effect until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For more information, tune to 1735 AM on your radio, or go to www.boqueouslivweathers.gov, or dial 544-879-WEATHER, and we'll connect you to the closest weather tower. To stay safe, lock all doors, bring any neighbors you see outside, turn off anything you don't need, and place a wind meter outside with a tight end.
It is hereby to know that both electrons cannot be separated, created, or pruned.
Wait, what? An EAS alarm.
So, apparently, there is a thunderstorm warning, and I do see clouds that are gray all around it. So it could be that.
It's been a year and this traffic won't move.
It's not been a year in the car. It's only been 20 minutes. I'll prove you. Just look here. It says 20 minutes later. Have you used Vyond before?
Yes. Don't ask that again, Ice. Yes, it's moving up. Who's calling? Hey.
Hey Parry. I would like to let you know that we are in the basement taking shelter. If you guys can hurry up, that would be nice.
Okay, we are in the middle of nowhere right now. We'll get home as fast as possible.
Then Boqueous, Central Boqueous, and Western Boqueous has activated a sky alarm amateur for the following counties: Townet Springs, Gumball, Watermill, South Riding, North Riding, for the following districts: Boqueous, West Boqueous, North Andover, Central Boqueous, South Andover, Payne, Guilford, Meevrich, Friedrich, until 4:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your safety, go to the lowest floor of a building, lock every door, stay out of the clouds, and bring emergency supplies, such as medication, food, water, and a flashlight. Localized power outages may occur. After releasing the alert, please remember the safety and instructions on www.boqueouslivweathers.gov, or call 544-879-WEATHER. Remember, keep calm and steady on a lowest floor on a building. Stay tuned for the weather. If anyone is injured, or his or her mental health isn't working, call 911. This weather may result in sky astronomical disorders, cloud warnings, thunder and lightning, and result in major tornado.